Makeup is back. Not in a huge way, but I'm really getting back into my makeup. Ooh, look at my silver hair coming. Okay, so with me getting back into my makeup, I was thinking about it. It's that time. I haven't talked about this in forever. So I want to talk about some of my go-to palettes because I know there's a lot of people who are, some of my newer people, y'all are starting to get back and get into your eyeshadows and stuff. So I wanted to give y'all some of my favorite go-to palettes that in case you're looking to do something, to get some palettes, these are some that if you kind of good to start with. And let me say, these are more of my spring kind of, some summer palettes that I wear. So these are not like fall because there's a different whole color scheme. But anyway, shut your ass up, Louise. You talk too damn much. All right, let's go. Okay. So even though I'm shopping my stash and everything, there are some things that just transcend all that. I just, in a pinch, like say if I'm going someplace and it's like last minute or, I'm running late for something, these are kind of the palettes that I go to because I know I can I can create a really cute look really quick. They're all different price ranges. They're not too bad, but these are the ones now. There's some new ones, some old ones. So yeah, let's talk. Why am I looking like that though? I don't know. Anyway, I have so much stuff on my little desk over here that I have got to clean it up. Okay. Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna go with these because anybody who's been on my channel for a long time know I love the Maybelline City Mini palettes. I don't even know if you can still get them, but these right here, this one was my first. This is the straight OG. This is Downtown Sunrise. And this is just a perfect little look. It's got enough mattes. It's got your shimmers. You can just create a really quick few little and you're done. Yes, Downtown Sunrise. And it's just like a really kind of peachy vibe to it. Oh, it's just easy breezy. This one though is my absolute favorite. This is Blushed Avenue. I have given this away to people, everything, but this is Blushed Avenue. It's got that little blushy look. Look at that pink right there. It's a very subdued and kind of muted pinky blushy rosy kind of vibe. Pull these up all the time. Now, these are new to this little roundup, but truth be told, love them. And I'm pulling them all out because they're just all together. It doesn't matter which one. It's just these together, And it's, damn it. And it's these. These are the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadows. Man, these little $3 eyeshadows are killing it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you get all of them for $20. I think I bought all of them when they first came out, $21. You can't beat that. And you got a whole wardrobe of colors. You got greens, you got some blues. You got almost everything you need up in here. Everything. All right, next up, I'm gonna do this one, and this is the Lime Crime Prelude. I've been really digging this one for some reason. I don't know, these two in particular are really cute. There's the Prelude and the Chroma, but this one is so cute to me. It's just like a really pretty kind. I was into neutral eyes. This, when I was trying to put on something, I went kind of neutral because for the people who don't know, I rock some bright ass eyeshadow. I'll be blue, green, hot pink, fuchsia, and so. But now I've been kind of like mellowing out. Why does this always keep twisting? Mellowing out and everything with it. So that's why that has become a staple. Now these are some. Let me look. I'm gonna take this one out because this ain't that serious. It's killer. These are straight OGs. These right here, ride or die. I think that if I got rid of all 200 of my palettes and started, you know, and was like, okay, you can only have so many, maybe 25, these would be in the 25. And I know some people like 25, that's a lot of palettes. Now, when you got over 200, so let's keep it in perspective, okay? All right, now, this one right here is Juvia's Place La Douce or whatever. This was my first really favorite palette from Juvia's Place, because this was one of the first ones that actually made sense to me when I looked at it. Because a lot of times Juvia's Place, especially her older palettes, it was kind of all over the place. They had a lot of colors, a lot of shimmers, not that many mattes. It was just, it wasn't just easy for me to, I would have to pull from different ones to get, you know, the looks that I wanted. But this one right here, this one, oh, I can make this right here. You can tell how much I've used. I mean, just look at how much. For me, with my, I've used this a lot. So this is that one. Then this is another one that's just an easy breezy everyday. This is Take Me to Paris by Maybe Cosmetics. Very similar to Douce, but this is a more toned down, subtler version of that. Whereas Douce is very vibrant. This is more subtle. This just vibes like a Paris cafe. This vibes like I'm going to the, you know, to the Louvre or something. Or just gonna be hanging out at on the Seine, having lunch, or, you know, just whatever. So yeah, this is Take Me to Paris by Maybe. Now, this is on my eyes right now, but this was 2019. This was the palette. This is Sweet Talk by Colourpop. If you need you a nice, beautiful, peachy, corally vibe on your eyes, this is it. Now, I really ain't a fan of this pressed glitter ass crap. Yeah, they could have left them out, but the rest of this, yes. Then, now this is a go-to just for like basic stuff. And usually what I use this for is, let me tell you what it is. It's just peachy mattes. Now, what I usually use this for is, I'll take like, especially like just peachy. I use that one a lot. I use peach sangria every once in a while. But I'll just do a full all over one color. And then I'll just dab on a shimmer on top of it. So I'll basically just, it's a very, very easy breezy way to do your eyeshadow. So it'll just be like one color all over. I'll just dust it all over. And then or like peach punch, and then I'll just, on my lids themselves, I'll use like a liquid shadow, you know, cream shadow. I would use a cream shimmer shadow to like create like, you know, some depth and things. So I'll have, you know, just a little something going on. But that's what I use this one for a lot. So it's like when I'm just like, sometimes when I'm filming, it'd be like, girl, you gotta film now. And I want to put on some makeup, but I don't feel like just working onto a whole eye look. I put all that on and then just dab some, you know, shimmer on the lid, and I'm good to go. This one, it was surprisingly one that I love and tried and used quite a bit. This is the Urban Decay Honey. This is the Naked Honey, which is this one. Because when it was first coming out, I was like, I don't want it. That's not that good. And then I got it. And I only bought it because it was like super duper points off. I think they was giving like 500 points if you bought it. So I bought the damn thing and I love it. It is just this quite beautiful, like neutral, but it's golden neutrals. And I usually don't like golden neutrals, but it's just pretty. It's just, and the colors, the shades just blend so well. The shimmers are so vibrant and beautiful. And then this one right here, this was before ABH started going down. Started to kind of go downhill to me. I have not bought an ABH palette in over a year. The last ones I bought were the Norvina palettes. I know I ain't bought nothing in 2020. But then again, I really didn't buy a lot anyway. But I mean, anyway, this one, Soft Glam, I didn't think. But baby, This little baby is Soft Glam. This is just perfection for a pretty soft glam look. If you need a nice, pretty, warm toned, glamorous eye, and you want it to be kind of understated, Soft Glam is it. And they just blend, just blend, just blend. And the shimmers are just enough. Oh yes, yes. And then finally, I'm a pink girl. If you don't know that by now, I love me some pink. I love me some pink. And you got to have a good pink palette. Now I have quite a few, quite to be honest. I couldn't put, but this one, yeah, this is my favorite. And I always say this is a really good palette if you're looking for a pink palette and you're not quite pink yet, but you want a pink palette. That's the Venus XL by Lime Crime. This thing right here, is so beautiful. It's just beautiful. It has the neutral colors you need to create depth and, you know, shadows and everything on your eye looks. It's got pops of color like that corally pink right there. It's got these deeper ones. It's got the nice ones here, the soft ones. Now, and the thing is, I say this is really good for someone with a little more mature skin because the shimmers are not super glittery. They give you enough shine. They give you a lot of sheen. Some of them give you sheen and everything, as opposed to a lot of glitter, which, you know, as we get older, we get a little wrinkly about these eyelids. So you might want something that's just a little, you know, just gonna give you that pop, but it's not going to be so, it's not gonna get lost in your wrinkles. So this, if you want a pink one, I think this is it's just a perfect pink palette. All right, so those are my go-to palettes that I kind of use like around this time of year. Some of them are all year. Venus XL, Soft Glam. Some of the stuff I just wear all year, but I will wear them a little more in the springtime. Okay. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. If you have some go-to palettes, go ahead and throw that in the, you know, let me know what you got that you go to, you know. You sounded real stupid right there. If you have any go-to palettes, put it in the description. If you have any go-to palettes, put it in the comments. Let me know about it. All right, it's your LuuLuu. I'm not asking, I'm not begging for likes or comments no more. If y'all don't want to like a comment, fine. I don't care. This is a new damn day. All right, talk to you later.